Howdy, y'all. Today, I'm going to do a Q&A for y'all. So let's get started. First question is, does Betty Lou have siblings?
I'm gonna get you, come here!
No. The next question is, how do you wrangle goats?
First, you get on all fours. Make sure they think you're one of them. Then you walk up to it and lightly stroke it while making goat noises.
The next question is, does Betty Lou dance? You tell me.
What this world needs is a few more rednecks. So people ain't afraid to take a
Would you vote for grass or mud? Is, do you have any tips on starting a YouTube channel? Don't, because this is my time to shine. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Yes. The next question is, what is your swag level?
I got broads in Atlanta. Just to the lean the family. Credit card